Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today we are taking a look at the new DS4, and actually I filmed the review of the different models, so this one, but right now I want to show you the different specs. I actually quite like this color and these wheels, very aerodynamic ones, but let's actually start with the front. Matrix LEDs, impressive daytime running LEDs. Now on the front you also have the massive grille. Look at this, the purple inside, the lights looking gorgeous and definitely an eye catcher on the road. Let's see the specs of the model in our video. So this is the La Premiere edition, special edition model, and we have the plug-in hybrid with a 225 horsepower, and this is the price in Swiss francs. You can pause the video here to see all of the options, and this is the official name of this color. So tell me in the comments, how do you like the design of this thing? Let me show you the side profile. So just a moment, there we go. Lovely 20-inch wheels, look at them, with the DS logo. Also very aerodynamic ones, strong design lines, special door handles that pop out. Look at the design of the C-pillar, how impressive is that? And this is the view at the rear. Really gorgeous, the attention to detail on maximum level. We have the nice illumination here, nice signature of the LED lights connected with this gloss black element here. So in this model we have a lot of gloss black elements actually. Let me also show you the trunk. Press this, electric tailgate. There we go. 12-volt power supply and LED lights are here as well. If we press this, it closes. And now it is time to check out the interior of this car. And let's see this. So the door handles, very cool design. And we have a bit of a different trim inside of this car compared to the other model there. But the same pattern on the seats and the same comfortable seat. Let's jump on board. Digital cockpit in front of the driver. This is the main touchscreen. If you press this, you go into the main menu. You can configure a bunch of settings here. I'm not going to go through the infotainment system because I already did that in the review of that one, so you can watch it on my channel. But let me just show you, the layout here. Some shortcuts, start engine button. Here underneath this you have the wireless charger and also the USB, as well as the 12-volt power supply, adaptive cup holders, special pad here. I believe you can write and then put the address input in your navigation. This cool feature is for the volume, gear selector, driving mode button. This car has sport, normal, comfort and eco mode. If you press this, it opens up, illuminates. You can have the USB port here, and also you can put the cable through this section. So tell me in your comments, how do you like this layout and how do you like this interior? And also subscribe to the channel, as there will be many more videos to come. And which spec do you prefer? So this one or this one? Tell me in your comments, and also stay tuned for the full review of the DS9. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.